Application delivery is often slowed down by costly tools, insecure connections, and IT headaches. TSplus Remote Access changes that, making delivery simple, secure, and efficient. Application delivery gives users seamless access to business software, anytime, anywhere, on any device. It ensures applications stay fast, with strong performance and high availability, and it keeps every connection secure and reliable against modern threats. Let's see why traditional delivery methods fall short. IT teams often use familiar remote access tools, yet all come with major drawbacks. VPN plus RDP is familiar and cheap, but exposes networks to risks. Citrix and RDS are powerful, but come with high costs and steep learning curves. VDI, Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, or DAS, Desktop as a Service, can be effective, but demand heavy infrastructure and budgets. That's why IT teams look for something simpler. The solution: TSplus Remote Access, smarter application delivery made simple. With one quick install on a Windows PC or server, you're ready. After setup, centralized management makes publishing applications simple. Let's see how it works. Just open the admin tool, go to Applications, and drag and drop the programs you want to deliver. From there, you can easily customize details like the display name, icon, or command line parameters. You can then assign access by individual user, ensuring they see only the resources they need. This approach makes remote access more secure, efficient, and easy to manage. In addition, TSplus Remote Access offers flexible connection methods. Users can connect the way they prefer, whether through a seamless remote app, as shown on screen, a secure HTML5 web portal, or a full remote desktop. Applications launch instantly, no local installs required. Now let's focus on security and scalability. Sessions are secured with SSL, TLS, and optional 2FA. The advanced security add-on blocks brute force attacks, enforces access rules, and protects against ransomware. As you grow, remote access scales. Load balancing ensures performance, failover keeps business running, and deployment is flexible, on-premises, cloud, or hybrid. Start in minutes with a free trial. Publish apps fast, no complex setup or licensing. Our solution delivers enterprise performance at a fraction of Citrix or RDS costs. That's why 500,000 plus businesses across industries trust TSplus. Download your free trial today at tsplus.net and experience secure, seamless application delivery without the complexity.